Welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about this little thing. Isn't it cool? Really cool. I like it. Has a lot of cool effects. Where do we have something? This right here we've used quite often. Well, it's overexposing, but let me turn down the intensity. Pretty cool. And you can like modify it all the way. Well, let's get into this video. We'll talk about the Aputure MT, where is it saying? Oh, here, the MT Pro. This little thing is a really powerful light. It doesn't look like a whole lot. It's not fairly cheap, but its build quality is very solid. I like that a lot. It's got all sorts of effects, which for like, let's say a light like this, you know, I wouldn't use those effects really a lot. But this little thing is exactly what I would use effects with. This little thing we've used it on cop cars or fake cop cars and just put like 2 or 3 in those, just like behind the window, and it would just look like a undercover cop car. Or I would put the fire mode on and just put it somewhere in the background and it looks like there's like some fireplace. I totally use this all the time as a hair light because it's so lightweight and pretty strong for its size that's what I find myself doing quite often. Just sticking it somewhere up top on, let's say, a boom arm, a grip arm, and just have a little hair light. So that's cool. But then even it's pretty soft because it's a fairly big light source. You could totally put that on your vlogging camera and have a decent soft key light. As I said, it's built fairly strong. This thing probably fell on the ground a couple times. It's got some decent scratches on it. But I have to say, one unit failed on us, but we were able to return it and get the money back. I'm not sure if that was a production issue. I'm pretty sure it was a production issue, and yeah, as I said, we got the money back, so no hard feelings. It has magnets on it, 2 magnets, so you can pretty much stick it to everything. That boom arm is magnetic, so yeah, you could pretty much just some tape on here. Just stick it on here and fly it up high and put it, you know, behind my head. Get some nice hair light or fill light. Yeah, seriously, it's a pretty sweet tool that you can use really creatively. I would, although it's I think what, $300 or something, I would totally recommend that to get pretty soon because it's awesome. For documentaries, great. For feature projects, great. For just vlogging, great. Okay, well, that was not a really deeply scripted video. That was just my thoughts on this little light. And I hope it helped you out. If not, I'm sorry. If it did, great. And I will catch you on the next one.